All right, today I'm going to show you how to take a hood off of a lens. Right here I have my Sony FE 24 to 105 millimeter F4 G OSS lens. I'm going to show you how I can take this lens hood off. I'm going to show you how to put it on. I'm going to show you how to put it on backwards and forward the proper way. So I have this right here. The lens hood is on, but it is put on backwards for packing purposes, and quite frankly, I don't need the hood right now. I don't need to grow up in the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and all I do is spin it, okay, if you're looking down at it, counterclockwise, and it releases, and the hood comes off, okay? And so now, if I want to put the hood on, I just simply make sure that the lens cap is either on or off, and make sure the cables are centered right there so they don't get tangled. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the bar on this lens hood. You see that bar? And I'm going to line it up with the bar that is on my lens. Okay, so I'm going to have that. And for this, I'm just going to go ahead and take the lens cap off. And I'm going to go right here. And I'm just going to go ahead, line the bar up with the bar. I've got bars today in a major way. All right, so right here, I line the bars up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spin it. Clicks into place. The lens is in place. I'm able to have the hood on. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lens cap on. Just like that. You see the hood is on. Now, if I want to take it off, I just simply take this, go counterclockwise as opposed to clockwise to putting it on, pull it off, and voila. I'm going to go ahead and put this on backwards again. Take the lens cap off. Okay. All right, I'm going to put it on backwards. You don't line the bar up. Actually, I'm going to line the dot up with the bar. And I'm going to go ahead and go like that. Just like that. And go ahead and replace the lens cap. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.